Lombard, token symbol BARD, is a pretty ambitious project in the Bitcoin DeFi infrastructure space. The core idea is to build up on-chain capital markets around Bitcoin by enabling a liquid, yield-bearing, Bitcoin token, LBTC, cross-chain transfers, developer tooling or SDKs, and governance via BARD. The aim is to unlock more utility for BTC holders, for example letting Bitcoin work in DeFi, vaults, staking, etc., in ways that are more seamless and institutional-friendly. The total supply of BARD is fixed at 1 billion tokens. At launch, token generation event, about 22.5% of that supply, 225 million BARD, is entering circulation. The rest is on vesting schedules are locked up, allocated for ecosystem development, early investors, contributors, foundation grants, etc. This design means initial liquidity is limited, which can help pump potential but also means supply unlocks are important to watch. What's new and why the price is pumping? There are several updates and news that seem to be fueling momentum in BARD recently. Binance HODL airdrop and spot listing. Binance has included BARD as the project for its 41st HODL airdrop. Users who subscribed BNB to simple earn or on-chain yields between September 9th to 12th are eligible to receive BARD tokens. Binance will list BARD for spot trading on September 18th, 2025, with trading pairs including USDT, USDC, BNB, FDUST, and TRY. This kind of exposure via Binance tends to generate big inflows of liquidity and heightened visibility. In the short term, days to weeks because of the Binance listing, futures and margin support, and strong exposure, BARD may test resistance zones well above listing price. A move to tilde 1.5 times-2 times the listing price is plausible if volume holds. But also expect pullbacks, especially after the airdrop or early profits. In the medium term, 3 to 6 months if Lombard delivers its infrastructure, LBTC adoption, cross-chain flows, staking security, grants, developer uptake, BARD could settle into a strong base. Some targets people are whispering about, if everything aligns, at $2 to $5 USD depending on how high demand and adoption go, how many people hold VS trade, and how regulatory clarity plays out. In a bullish long-term scenario, should Lombard become a major infrastructure provider for Bitcoin capital markets, if LBTC, its liquid staking a tokenized BTC, gets widespread use, and if BARD becomes essential for governance as security or priority access, then higher multiples are possible. But to reach those, supply unlocks must be gradual, utility must grow strongly, community must stay engaged, and macro conditions, interest rates, crypto regulatory environment, have to cooperate.